Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In our previous video, we discussed what is marketing, the aim of marketing, what things can be marketed. Today we are going to learn about a very important topic, that is the 8 types of demand. So before understanding the demand types, let's first understand what is demand. Demand refers to a customer's desires and willingness to buy a product. Basically, how much customer is willing to buy a product or services. And according to Philip Kotler's, marketer may face different demand situation in the market. And understanding this situation helps them develop effective marketing strategies. Let's discuss the 8 types of demand one by one. First is negative demand. This occurs when customer dislike a product and may even pay to avoid it. Basically, product is disliked by the customer, though the product is beneficial for the customer and customer is not interested to buy the product. For example, delay in buying insurance policy, avoid full body checkup, etc. Next is non-existent demand. So in this case, the customers are unaware of the product or or not interested in it. Example, modern farming, etc. Next is latent demand. So in this case, customers have a strong need, but no existing product can fully satisfy that need. For example, a normal phone versus smartphone. Next is declining demand. So basically, in this case, the demand for a product start decreasing over time. For example, CD player, DVD players, etc. Next is irregular demand. In this case, demand fluctuates based on season, month, week, or even time of the day. For example, umbrella during monsoon, AC during summer, resorts, etc. Next is full demand. So this is the ideal situation where demand matches the company supply. For example, iPhone, toothpaste, etc. Next is overfull demand. So in this case, demand becomes higher than the available supply. For example, newly launched Apple iPhone or popular concert tickets, etc. Next is unwholesome demand. So in this case, the customers are attracted to the products. They want to buy the product, and this product may have harmful effect on the health or society. For example, cigarettes, drugs, alcohols, etc. So these are the 8 types of demand explained by Philip Kotler. So basically, the role of a marketer is to identify the current demand situation in the market and take appropriate action to move towards the desired level. I hope you find this topic easy to understand, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.